Ever felt like your best products are getting lost in the crowd? Shoppers scan through your store quickly, and without clear visual cues, they might miss what's trending, back in stock, or on sale. That's why we built Crucials, the all-in-one BigCommerce app with over 30 tools to help you sell more, including the powerful product badge feature. To get started, just search for Crucials on the BigCommerce App Store and install it in a few clicks. Once you've installed Crucials, you'll find all the available tools in the sidebar, making it easy to browse and switch between them. Head over to the Product Badge app and turn it on with one click. Next, create a new product badge campaign, and fully customize the badge text, color, shape, and position to match your store's branding. Once you're happy with the setup, hit save and watch your product grid come to life. Badges draw attention, build urgency, and make it easier for shoppers to decide, all without changing your product layout. Product Badge is just one of over 30 tools included in Crucials to help you improve conversions and grow your BigCommerce store, all in one place.